Hello crafters, welcome to the first video on elf creations. Now if you're frugal like me, you save your stems from picks that you bought from your dollar stores, your pound shops, your florists and so forth. Now I like to keep these because I like to make my own picks. Now I want to show you something that I did for Christmas that has just gone. I'm just going to cut this particular leftover pick branch. I'm just going to tidy it up so I get rid of all these knobbly bits at the bottom, so just get rid of that. So I've got those, and these are available in G's Embellishment Emporium. I've got them in the gold, the silver and the white, so I'm probably going to use 2 of each. Now I made these are made for the tree, so we use these on our Christmas tree for the Christmas just gone. So I want to wish you all a very, very happy new year. I'm looking forward to this new channel because I love Christmas and it just seems like the natural thing for me to do. That way I can craft Christmas throughout the year. Right, I got this ribbon, and this is just some lovely blue ribbon, which is kind of organza, but it's wired, and I got that from the pound store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have 3 kind of bunny ears, about kind of 6 inches in length. So I'm going to cut that, and cut that. They don't have to be exact, so if if there are slightly different sizes, then that's just going to add to the to the effect. And I'm going to cut that, so I'll end up with 3 bunny ears, if you like. Okay, so I end up with 3 bunny ears that look like that. But what I'm going to do is get my leftover pick stem and put that in the center of one, so it looks like that. This can be tricky, but once you get your hands in gear, it's quite easy. Now using these sprays, I'm going to lay them in. Just going to lay the sprays in, and then another bunny ear, some more of the sprays, just layer those in, and the last one. Oh, right, and then what I need, get yourself some assorted sized cable ties or zip ties. Now I actually got these from the local pound store, and I'm going to zip tie that all together so it's tight and secure on the stem. So I get something that looks like that, and these are all wired so I can manipulate them and move them around. Okay, I'm going to cut off this excess, and I can wrap this round also just to neaten it up. Now using some florist tape, I am going to wrap that around also, just to give it that finished shop bought look. I didn't quite get all that in, so I need to incorporate that in there. So I'm just going to spin it around and give it that kind of finished look. attach it. There we go. And that gives me a pretty pick for a Christmas tree. Now you could add flowers, you could add any other embellishments that you may have in your stash, but it's just a simple way to use these up instead of throwing them away, and you get something you can utilize and glamorize your Christmas trees. And again, you can do these for each season. You could add some Easter eggs and get some Easter ribbon. And if you're in some of the states in the US where your trees are up all year and you decorate all year, this would be a great way to incorporate picks into your tree using items in your stash. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you again very soon with another Christmas tutorial. Take care now. Bye bye.